The universe is big, like really big. There are more stars in the cosmos than grains of sand on Earth. Around these stars are countless planets, some of which are in the perfect Goldilocks zone, just right for life to exist. And yet, in this ocean of possibilities, it's silent. No messages, no visits, no galactic neighbors dropping by to borrow a cup of hydrogen. This eerie silence is known as the Fermi Paradox. If the universe is teeming with planets and life is inevitable, where is everyone? One possible answer? Something called the Great Filter. And trust us, it's equal parts fascinating and terrifying. Part 1, the Cosmic Obstacle Course. To understand the Great Filter, let's think of life as a game, a cosmic obstacle course. The goal is simple: become a civilization capable of exploring the stars. But the course is filled with challenges. Here on Earth, life had to overcome some major hurdles. Step 1, turning random molecules into the first primitive life forms. That alone might have been like hitting the cosmic lottery. Next, those simple cells had to figure out how to work together and form multicellular organisms, a leap so rare it only happened once in Earth's history. Fast forward a few billion years, and you get creatures like us, capable of asking big questions, building civilizations, and making videos like this one. But here's the thing. For life to reach this point, it must beat the odds over and over again. Somewhere in this process, there's a wall so high and wide that most civilizations never get past it. That wall is the Great Filter. Part 2, the filter behind us. The good news? The Great Filter could be behind us. Maybe the origin of life is incredibly rare, or perhaps the jump to multicellularity is so unlikely that it's practically a miracle. If this is true, we might be special, unique. The universe's golden ticket winners. But being special comes with a price. It would mean we're alone. The silence of the cosmos wouldn't be a mystery. It would be a reflection of just how improbable our existence is. Part 3, the filter ahead of us. Now for the bad news. What if the Great Filter isn't behind us but ahead of us? Imagine this. Civilizations like ours rise, grow, and advance. But then something stops them. Maybe it's self-destruction, nuclear war, climate collapse, or runaway artificial intelligence. Or maybe it's an external threat, a massive asteroid, a nearby supernova, or something we haven't even thought of yet. In this scenario, the silence in the universe isn't because life is rare. It's because intelligent civilizations don't last long enough to reach the stars. Part 4, alternative ideas. Of course, there are other possibilities. Maybe advanced civilizations are out there but don't want to talk to us. This is the zoo hypothesis. We're like animals in an intergalactic wildlife preserve, observed but never disturbed. Or maybe they're too far away. The universe is so vast that even with advanced technology, communication between civilizations might be impossible. There's also the idea that we're looking in the wrong way. What if their signals are so advanced we can't even recognize them? Imagine ants trying to understand a smartphone. Part 5, why the Great Filter matters. Here's why this matters. If the Great Filter is ahead of us, it means we're racing toward a barrier we might not survive. That's scary, but it's also a wake-up call. It pushes us to address the challenges we face today. Whether it's protecting the planet, managing our technology, or just learning to work together as a species. On the other hand, if the filter is behind us, then we have a responsibility. If we really are the first, or even the only intelligent civilization in the universe, then the stakes couldn't be higher. We're the universe's only chance to know itself. Conclusion: the universe is whisper. The Great Filter is a reminder of how precious and fragile life is. It asks us to look up at the stars and wonder, not just about the universe, but about ourselves. Are we alone? Are we rare? Or are we part of something much bigger? For now, we don't have the answers, but one thing's for sure. Our actions today will shape not just our future, but the future of the entire cosmos. Thank you for watching Unriddle. If you found this fascinating, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.